going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy, Titanic Feet Jack, back at you again with another video. Before we get started with today's video, I need y'all to take a look at the church announcements. Now that the church announcements have been read, we're going to get into today's sneaker. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sneaker. What does it say? Airjordan Retro 1. High OG, color gem red, black, summit white. US size 14, retail price $160. We have your standard black and red Retro 1 box. Let's go ahead and see what we have here. And the standard white paper. Yes, the Bred Toe ones. Go ahead and get these bad boys out. Yeah, boy, take a look at these. Comment below, let me know what y'all think of these sneakers. If you have them in collection, let me know. Believe these came out a couple years ago. I remember I bought mine when I was out of town in the Big D. Shout out to Dallas, Texas, y'all. Comment below, let me know what city y'all repping. I bought these from Dallas, in D-Town. Let's go ahead and get into the sneaker. It almost looked like a Chicago one, but it's not. We call these, we've tagged these with the nickname Bred Toe. Go ahead, we're gonna start up here. It's branded on that Jordan wing logo. Get a good look at it there. Okay, we got that nice sail colorway. Nice soft leather right here, the color blocking. We got this black mud guard going on here. We have the red heel going all the way around to the other side. Midsole, sail colorway midsole. Let's go ahead and look at the heel of the sneaker. Got some pretty good grain of leather on this heel. Going up is nice and soft in the ankle area. Then to top it off up here, we have it is black leather. Let's go ahead and look on the inside of the sneaker. Go ahead and remove that shoe tree for y'all. Standard cardboard shoe tree. Please recycle. But I keep all my shoe trees with my sneakers. Let's look on the inside of the sneaker. We have a black insert. Got that red Nike Air on here. Go ahead and put that back in. Put up these strings back in. On the back of the tongue, they got a message on here. You can go ahead and read that. On leisure. All right, on the inside of the sneaker, and nice soft leather up here on the ankle area in the red. And we also have that sail colorway color blocking. We have the black Nike swoosh, just like on the other side. I think I forgot to mention that, but we have a Nike swoosh on the other side as well, which is the outside, the black Nike swoosh. We have that black on the mud guard that goes up to the strings, and that red leather coming from the other side on the heel. Your midsole, that sail colorway, and you can see the edge of it. The red starts at the bottom of your midsole, which goes to the outsole. We have an all red outsole. Then we're going to look at that toe box. I'm not going to lie, this like one of the first things I look for when I buy a pair of Retro ones. What's the leather like in the toe box? You guys be the judge. Is it tumbled? Yes or no? Comment below. Let me know if this leather is tumbled. It feels real soft, nice and tumbled in here. Comes with the black laces. Came with additional laces, the red laces that's on the other sneaker. We're gonna look at that shortly. Going up the tongue. Nice nylon material tongue. And we have that black tab with Nike Air stitched in red on here. Let's go ahead and look at the other sneaker. Yep, the additional laces, the red right here. Probably gonna keep it OG and rock the black laces. I'm not gonna put the red laces in there. I might put one in and see how it look, but comment below, guys. Let me know what laces you rocking your Bred Toes with. Move this out the way. Yep, we have that outsole, your black mud guard. Going up the laces, we have that sail colorway color blocking on this pair. Also have the black Nike swoosh. Going up to the ankle area, we have that branded airjordan right here on the ankle. Go ahead to the heel. Nice leather going around, which started on the outside. Going up, more red leather. And we have that black leather here on top. Have a black sock liner. Forgot to mention that on the last sneaker, but black sock liner. And you see in the inside of the other sneaker, you got that shoe tree right there. Go ahead on the inside of the sneaker. Black Nike swoosh again. On top of the sail colorway color blocking. We have that black going on the laces on the way down to the mud guard. Have that red leather up here, topped off with some black leather up here, guys. And the heel, where the red started on the other side, ended up right here. We have that sail colorway on your midsole, and the red starts on the midsole and goes down to the outsole. It's a good looking sneaker. I haven't undressed these yet, but man, these bad boys are nice. Comment, tell me your honest opinion of these sneakers. I mean, it's a retro one. You really can't go wrong with retro one, guys. Let me know if you still got your pairs. I think this pair right now is going for a pretty penny. I think if you want a pair of these, I think you gotta pay something around $400 or $500 right now. Look like the Last Dance documentary made a lot of the retro ones increase in value because a lot of sneakers went up that was really still around retail on the black market. But comment below if you like the sneakers. Let me know if you purchased this pair when they first released. Let me know what is your favorite Jordan silhouette. The retro one is a classic silhouette, nice and sweet. You can rock it with pretty much anything, and it's a nice looking sneaker, guys. Well, that's the end of the video. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a great day.